Hey, what up, gang? Welcome to ACESS Network Airdrop Mining app. So this has been trending and I just can't ignore. So I say, let me look it up. So it says the future of decentralized blockchain. ACESS Network is a high-performance blockchain platform designed for speed, security, and scalability. Build the apps, earn access tokens, and explore a new era of decentralized finance. So you have the option to download from Google Play Store, download APK and then App Store for iPhone is coming soon. So far, 30 seconds block time, approximately maximum supply 25 million. Consensus is POS. Then EVM compatible. That's for the wallet address, built for the next generation. Lightning fast transactions, enterprise grade security, EVM compatible, proof of stake mining, minimal transaction fees, mobile first design, and so on. Other information here are currency symbol is access, blockchain time, block time, proof of stake, and so on and so forth. Right. So I'm saying the connect wallet button, so it means you can actually connect the wallet here to mine. So how it works: you create an account, you start active session, you earn access tokens, you explore transactions, and so on and so forth. Okay, I just noticed that they also have a frequently asked questions here where you get to know more and even better about the project. What is ACESS Network? How do I earn access? Right. We'll be knowing all of that as we use the platform. So for now, I'm using Android, so I get it from Google Play. So I click on install here. So the app is downloaded successfully. Let's launch it for the very first time. All right, so you will accept permission to, you allow notifications, and we're on the sign up page properly. And the only option here is to sign in with Google. So you might want to set a special Google account aside because you're granting them access into your account. So it shouldn't be the account, your official account, or the one that holds your sensitive, messages and stuff. So you solve a captcha here. Then you click on sign in with Google and you select from a list of your Google accounts. All right, so I've signed in, and a lot of things here. Referral linked, you and your inviter will each receive So you scroll all the way to the bottom and you accept privacy policy and terms. Click on accept and continue after checking the box. We've logged in. Let's click on start here. First things first. Next processing available, and the countdown timer is active and running. So it means each session here lasts for 24 hours, and when the countdown timer is up, I have to come back and reactivate. And another thing you need to know is that if your Google Maps is not up to date, you might not be able to enter a mining session. That means you have to go and update your Google Maps before you can continue mining. So that's the first thing. And now back to the home page. What else do we have here? Network Mainnet is live here. Total supply is at display there. I haven't referred anyone, so my referral count is 0. You can click on invite here. You can get your referral link. You can copy this and share with your family and friends on any social media platform of your choice. I haven't referred anyone. So they are going to be doing halvings. So the halving milestone. We're currently at 0 to 5 million. So when it gets to 5 million to 15, there'll be a halving, right? So it means the earlier you join the project, the more you earn, because as time goes on, they'll be halving and your reward will drop drastically. The circulating supply 351. All right, so that's currently what's in circulation. So by the time they achieve 5 million AC, then there will be a halving event. So next on the menu bar here, to the home page is the activity. Of course, we are in a mining activity. The referrals is here. I haven't referred anyone, so basically my referral code is there. And you get 0.15 points for each friend who joins with your referral code and starts their first mining session. Click on profile here. It still carries my referral code and of course the place for my balance. When I have some app lock secure with 6 pin, if you want to do that, of course you can just turn this on for security. Private account hide from leaderboard. That's if you don't want your name to appear on the leaderboard, you can turn it off from here. Let's have a look. Go back to the referral page here. Look at the leaderboard. So if you don't want your name to appear, this ones here, even their pictures are here, right? So you can simply just turn that off, and then your name will not be appearing here. So there are different categories here, from all time, from weekly, from today. Their referrals are like the determining factor why they are topping on the leaderboard, by the way. The last on the page is the more. So there's network, there's task, there's point system. Let's start with network. So you have your account address, so you can copy and share to receive points, or you can use someone's account to send points. Your private key is down here. You can copy and keep it safe. This is a wallet of its own, obviously. Click on task. So on task here, there is daily check-in. So I'm here, it's claim today. So I've received my 0.01 points for the day, and you can also follow them on socials like X Telegram. You can complete these activities to receive additional tokens. So after completing all of the tasks, there is a bonus for completing all tasks, and then you click on claim bonus. Point system. Point distribution, activity benefits 45%, platform development 25%, community benefits 15%, team and advisors 10%, reserve fund 5%. Network type, custom EVM mainnet. We have read about this one. Transaction fees 0.0002 points. So I guess this is the much we can see, or the much that is available about ACESS chain, right? So you want to do your research, follow them on social media. So here's their X page, and they already have a followership of 82.9k. To our ACESS network, here is what's been happening. So you want to go through all of this so you stay up to date and ahead. ACESS network, no KYC. All right, because it's a decentralized platform. And it started in April 2026. Developer Switzerland company that supply this So there you have it, guys. I'll be leaving you my link in the pinned comment of the video so you can jump on it, register and start mining. This is no financial advice, guys. I just stumbled across it, and since it's a free to earn cryptocurrency project, I've decided to share the opportunity of earning this token before it launches. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.